Easy English Basics Series. Lesson 4. Hello, everyone. Grammar rules. Sentence structure. Sentence structure refers to the way words are organized to form grammatically correct and meaningful sentences. Understanding sentence structure is essential for effective communication because it allows speakers and writers to convey their thoughts clearly and logically. In English, sentences typically follow a specific pattern, known as the subject-verb-object (SVO) structure, although variations exist based on the type of sentence being used. Let's explore the components of sentence structure in detail. Components of sentence structure. Subject. The subject is the noun, pronoun, or noun phrase that performs the action or is described by the verb in the sentence. It answers the question who or what the sentence is about. Example: she bought a new car. Verb. The verb is the action or state of being in the sentence. It expresses what the subject is doing or the condition it is in. Example: she bought a new car. Object. The object is the noun, pronoun, or noun phrase that receives the action of the verb. It answers the question whom or what the action is being done to. Example: she bought a new car. The types of sentence structures. Simple sentence. A simple sentence consists of a single independent clause containing a subject and a predicate. It expresses a complete thought and can stand alone as a sentence. Example: the cat, subject, sat, verb, on the mat, object. Compound sentence. A compound sentence contains two or more independent clauses joined by coordinating conjunctions, for example, and, but, or semicolons. Each independent clause can stand alone as a separate sentence. Example: she loves to read, independent clause, but, coordinating conjunction, he prefers to watch movies. Independent clause. Complex sentence. A complex sentence contains one independent clause and at least one dependent clause, also known as a subordinate clause. Dependent clauses cannot stand alone as complete sentences and rely on independent clauses for meaning. Example: although, subordinating conjunction, she was tired, dependent clause, she continued working, independent clause. Compound complex sentence. A compound complex sentence contains two or more independent clauses and at least one dependent clause. It combines the features of compound and complex sentences. Example: he went to the store, independent clause, and bought groceries, independent clause, while, subordinating conjunction, she stayed home, dependent clause. Importance of sentence structure. Clarity. Proper sentence structure ensures that ideas are presented clearly and logically, making it easier for readers or listeners to understand the intended message. Coherence. Well-structured sentences contribute to the overall coherence of a text by organizing ideas in a logical sequence. Emphasis. Sentence structure can be manipulated to highlight important information or create emphasis within a sentence. Variety. Using different sentence structures adds variety to writing, making it more engaging and interesting for the audience. In summary, sentence structure plays a crucial role in effective communication by organizing words into meaningful units that convey ideas clearly and coherently. Writers and speakers should understand the components of sentence structure and how to use them effectively to express themselves accurately and persuasively.
Give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button and share to receive more videos like this in the future.
Sentence types by structure. Simple.
A simple sentence has one independent clause. No commas separate two compound elements in a simple sentence. For example, Anna eats lollies. Sentence types by structure. Compound. A compound sentence has two independent clauses joined by a coordinating conjunction. For, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. A conjunctive adverb. For example, however, therefore, or. A semicolon. For example, Anna eats lollies, but Jamie eats fruit. For example, Anna eats lollies. However, Jamie eats fruit. For example, Anna eats lollies. Her friend eats fruit.
Sentence types by structure. Complex. A complex sentence has one dependent clause, headed by a subordinating conjunction or a relative pronoun joined to an independent clause. For example, although Anna eats lollies, Jamie eats fruit. For example, Jamie eats fruit, although Anna eats lollies. For example, Anna, who eats lollies, rarely eats fruit. For example, people who eat fruit rarely eat lollies.
Sentence types by structure. Compound complex.
A compound complex sentence has two independent clauses, joined to one or more dependent clauses.
For example, while Anna eats lollies, Jamie eats fruit, but Matt only eats bread. For example, Anna eats lollies, but Jamie eats fruit, because sweets are unhealthy. For example, Jamie, who eats fruit, rarely eats lollies. However, Anna enjoys lollies. For example, people who eat fruit rarely eat lollies. They often find lollies unhealthy.